संजय वो तुम बातें करते रहो, फ्लर्ट करते रहो, वो चार्ज और बढ़ा देगी तुम्हारा और कुछ नहीं। हाँ वो तो बढ़ाती जाएगी, तुमको मिला कोई, वो तुमको कर रही है, तुम उसको कर रहे हो। He's just kidding. He's just.
Good morning. It's our last day in Iceland and we are exploring the city of Reykjavik today because our tour to the glacier, lagoon and the diamond beach got cancelled. This is the diamond beach that we missed. And honestly, it is not the worst because the rains you really can't get pictures, you can't see things, you're freezing to death. So anyways, it makes sense to do some shopping instead, and we're excited and happy about that because we haven't bought a lot of things for our friends and family or ourselves yet. So today is going to be the day to do that. I love the location of our hotel because when you right in the balcony, if you go to the main street, it's the most popular street food hot dog place. We are vegetarians, we don't eat that, but the amount of crowd there is, like I'm sure you've seen in the previous set of videos, that this is insane. Even on 2 tickets of freedom, I think you know who I'm talking about, Prachi and Harsh. This was the place that they recommended the most, but I kind of like never really choosing a place that serves non-vegetarian with vegetarian again, because yesterday they messed up my meal and that went pretty badly. I don't want to talk about it, but yeah, we are gonna get ready. Last time I'm gonna say that on this trip, I got these pair of earrings. Really hope they look good in pictures as well. So basically from the side angle it's pretty nice. Also I think they are heavy, no, but so we'll skip this. Overall this Iceland trip was, oh my god, they're huge. They are huge. I hope if you've been a part of this channel and if you've been seeing my YouTube shorts that I had been trying to put out consistently, because Instagram is just a place where I'm more active. You must have seen this top in Kutch. I wore this to the run of Kutch and I have really fond memories. I think India, any travel destination in India, the way that brings me happiness is crazy. But this trip, I think the most happy I felt, and I'm pretty sure you've guessed it by now, was at the Seljaland Falls. Because I said that right, because where else in the world are you going to get to see a waterfall from behind, where you can actually go behind? Like, it was a pretty sick experience, and the fact that only I did it from the family makes it even more, oh, you know, they missed out. Love the fact that you can always come back here for Northern Lights and explore the Diamond Beach Den. A nice collection of jackets. Time to say goodbye. Na 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 na. Green juice and a pick me up. We had this morning and we repeated the order. We are currently trying on jeans for myself because I don't get my size in India. Smart though. Personally, I'm in love with this dress, but I know my parents won't approve. It's too short. Actually, my favorite color. If you don't know that, why you on my YouTube channel? Interesting. This is option number 3. This feels like Pandora का shopping
देखो ये सब extension कराया मैंने.
Well, you're literally not even like an hour ago back at Joe and the Juice in the mall this time. I'm craving like a cold coffee now because we've had so many hot coffees this entire trip.
Bag. Yeah, back cost 100.
Okay, so funny story coming up next. We decided to go to a mall that my brother found, but he actually didn't realize we were going to a Reebok gym. So we ended up paying overpriced.
और रात में टैक्सी में आए थे कि कितना महंगा पड़ा था।
देखो एक सेकंड रोक क्या
जहाँ भी जाओ खा जाते तो खुश हो जाते।
Of course, there's always someone's
She's
fault.
very crazy. You make the it's come India you make
Yes, well, I didn't plan India, but
yeah after India
after India,
Mumbai
Okay.
best city of the world
really, Mumbai is so amazing.
It's Bollywood.
The best.
देखो बना रही है ऐसा करती है तुम गलत बात है
Mama, वो बोली sun is pink because sun's fault.
मैं एक सूटकेस लेके आती हूँ, मेरे संग चलेगी?
All I know it's 10:35 and I can do this all to love me. All I know it's 10:35 and I can do this all to love me. We are going to get some tax refunded because of all the shopping that we did and you saw today. Spoiler alert, we're going to do a lot more skincare shopping, so stay tuned. But first, let's get our tax refund.
अभी गिर जाएगा क्या नहीं ये ऐसे गिरता है देखो फुल नेम एड्रेस यहाँ करना है स्टाम्प करना है
All things that we are getting.
It's okay. Would you like receipt?
और मम्मी से बोल
The consistency of this salt mixed with the body oil is just... We got all the 3 types of masks, the mineral, the algae as well as the silica from the Blue Lagoon brand itself as well as BioEffect. A creme brulee for mama because we liked ours. Disclaimer, this is a few minutes before disaster happened. Literally. Some idiotic man just dropped the same creme brulee that I got for the second time. So this is us purchasing the same thing for the 3rd time. I'm running for our flight.
टाइम लगेगी आगे लगे तो सम्मत है
Papa just got to Wi-Fi and he's working on the flight. I'm watching the Barbie movie after a year of it releasing. You've been a part of the Iceland series from episode 1. I really would like to thank you. Mom did her lovely shopping at the plane also. She got another watch because she's obsessed.
I can also wear, my daughter can also wear. Okay. If she doesn't like her watch, she can give me rose gold and then she can take mine. I know she's going to take.